Another major change is the look, because with the 3.2 version, they've also introduced us to the latest default theme, which is 2011, because they have told us that they're going to come out with a new default theme each and every year. So with the new default theme, where are we at here under appearances? Here we go. Under appearances, go to theme. Get out of this page here. You can see right here the options. If you go to the 2011 theme here and activate it, well, if you preview it first, everything looks pretty cool. It does give us more space up here, and I haven't played with this much to know if you can add a lot more text up here or not. I do know that the text is an option where you can toggle it on and off, but let's go ahead and open this up. Now it does seem to break my sidebar over here, so I'll deal with that. Let's activate this, because whenever you activate the 2011 theme, you'll have more options over here under the appearance subpanel, like theme options. You can now toggle from the normal white background black text to black background white text, and you also have the option of tweaking the link color, where by default it's kind of a blue color like most links are. We can select this by going to the color wheel and changing it to whatever you want. Pretty cool. I imagine there are folks out there that have that as a need. You also have real quick like a default layout that you can change from content left sidebar right, content right sidebar left, or content all the way around, one column, no sidebar. Because used to in the 3-point version you had this as a theme option in our pages. If we go to pages, I'll show you that here in a second, but let's stick with the 2011 theme for the time being. Now if we come on down here to the header, you've got additional options here where you did not have in the 2010 theme, where number one, the header sizes have increased slightly, but still increased, and you've got more options under the pictures. I think these are pretty cool too. And you can also upload your own, and with this option you can randomize through each page these particular images that you have installed here. So if your theme is, or if your website is around, say, the niche of photography, well, you can upload some of your own photogs and have it randomized through those. To pretty cool stuff. And you can always remove this down here, display the text. Currently it is. You have the option of no, and you can also opt the color of that text too. And if we come over here to the header image, or to the theme area here, under header, just to compare the two, you see here, that's the size of the images you can work with here, and you can see the options available to you here are much different than those available to you here. Now then, as far as the 2011 theme versus 2010 theme, another plus is that it's fully HTML5 compatible, meaning that on your iPhones, your smartphones, your tablets, you don't have to worry about having particular plugins now to make it viewable on those items. With the 2011 theme, it's automatically going to resize itself so that it looks cool and it's not all broken in half and they have to scroll from left to right. Whether it's on a phone, your iPod, or a full-size tablet, you're good to go. Another major plus for the 2011 theme. Now another change is under posts. You also have varying types of posts now. In the 3.1 up to 3.2, you have the standard, you have the aside, and I believe the gallery. And in 3.2, they've added these other ones. And these are just ways in which you can make the actual post look pretty cool, depending upon how you want it to appear to your visitors. Let's open this back up here and I'll show you what I'm talking about as a quick comparison. This is a normal post here. So let's go ahead and change this from a standard to a status. Like in your Facebook status, it's going to have an image off to the side. Let's go ahead and update this. Come on over here. You see right now it's just the standard. Oh, and this here also for a comment, you can see how that's changed a little bit. Okay, so let's refresh this and see what the status looks like. So if you've got your image, or if you've got it set up for a gravatar or whatever, then your image would show up here. Pretty cool. Thank you very much for watching this video on the side-by-side comparison between 3.1 and 3.2.